Hi, I'm Ramaya, and I'm usually known as the chilled out, calm amidst the chaos kind of person. But when it comes to design, at times where it has been chaotic, design has been my calm. And I feel like design has always helped me express myself a lot, and people know me for the work that I create. Going more into some of my other passions, I really like sports, music, food, and fashion just a little bit. But coming into visual communication, that has always been something that I've wanted to do. And growing up, people knew me as either the athlete or the girl that makes cards. And something that I really loved was to create for people around me and seeing them happy with what I create. And pursuing visual communication, I think I have the ability to expand that passion to basically a career, I guess, and hopefully make a change in the world with what I create. So something that I really believe in as a designer is that meaningful design is really important in this community. Since a lot of people don't really value design, I wish to actually express myself and show people the true meaning and the true value behind design. Coming into the final major project that I've been working on for the past few months, I wanted to create an impact within the community in some way. And since I've been an athlete before, a major problem that I noticed was that sexual abuse and harassment has been an ongoing problem here in Sri Lanka as well as internationally. However, in the Sri Lankan context, the sports community does not necessarily take a lot of action during situations of unfairness. And I thought it was my duty as an athlete and as a visual communication student to talk about this issue since I have the ability and the platform to do so. So going into my project, the key problem that I noticed was that sexual abuse and harassment is an ongoing issue, and currently there is a lack of action taken against it by the sports community, which includes athletes as well. And moving into the research phase of my project, I was able to find that the main reason it's currently happening is because a lot of athletes are so focused on victory. And not only the athletes, the sports community in general of today's generation are so competitive and they're so focused on just achieving victory and expecting the external rewards such as medals or the reputation. And I feel like that is due to that reason, people are really neglecting abuse and not even noticing when it occurs. Another reason that sexual abuse and harassment occur in the field of sport is because a lot of athletes are not aware of the signs of abusive behavior or just inappropriate behavior. And moving into how I connected this to my project, I realized that the best way to do so is to take this drive and the passion that athletes have towards victory and redirect it towards achieving justice. And moving into how I'm planning on connecting this, the National Olympic Committee already has a system of reporting site. My project includes a courage kit that helps athletes navigate abuse and understand what exactly is appropriate and inappropriate behavior. And based on their current situation or the experiences they have, they can take the necessary action. And again, going into the campaign as a whole, I'm looking at a brand or more of a movement named Undefeated. So here I'm hoping athletes have that courage to do so. I've also designed a few posters that would go along with this in this campaign to raise awareness. And these posters are again taken inspiration from the athletes themselves, and they are key pressure points within sport. So hoping that athletes further understand my message and the community as a whole. As an athlete and a visual communication student, I hope my project impacts the sports community and helps them build self-confidence and the courage needed to take action against any unfair behavior from anyone that is directed towards them. And I hope to bring a safer sports community in Sri Lanka.